Customize your online questions with videos or images and multiple audio prompts. Let's take a look at how simple it is to add these files to your test. Here's the OWL Test Builder. Use these controls to add media to the test directions, section headers, or an individual question. Let's take a look with this oral response item. First, I will click on the icons to launch the media editor. Be sure you're using the proper area for the type of media. I will add a picture from my computer by clicking the Upload New button. Select my file and click Open. This description is my image's hover text. I'm going to go ahead and edit that so I'm not giving away the answer. Instead of clicking, you can simply drag and drop onto the button. Let me show you this with an audio file. For audio prompts, I will ask you to assign a language. Select your language and click OK. And if I wanted to put a prompt on the test that I've already uploaded for another exam, I would simply click the Browse Existing button to select the file from my OWL Media Library. I'll choose the file I need with this checkbox and then select. If I needed to remove something, I would use this X to delete. Be sure to click OK when you're finished. Now, you can see by this blue highlighting that this oral response item has both an image and an audio file on it. If I hover, the file information appears. Here's what this would look like to the test taker. If you have a lot of files to put on your test at the same time, please watch the video on bulk media uploading. Thank you for your time and for choosing the OWL Test Management System.